Hello, so this video I want to show you the best way to use acrylic paints. You will need a cup of water, different assortment of paintbrushes, different sizes, a palette with your paints on it, and a rag. So first what I did is I showed you the 3 different layers of how acrylic paint looks. The first one I just kind of did a basic green layer. It's kind of blotchy, you can kind of still see like through the canvas, but it doesn't really matter because you're just going to paint over it. The next part is 2 layers. So I did that with the green paint under, like I did with 1 layer, but this time I added more colors. I started to kind of add in some blues and reds, bring in some more values and shades and tints. The next part I did was 3+ layers. This is so you can actually start to bring out like the realistic and the quality of the paint. And as you can see, I did several different layers. And I added in yellows, I added in browns, blacks, browns, reds. The reason why you do this is I made it easier chart to see. So the first layer, as you can see, it's still kind of more transparent. Second layer, it's a little bit better, and then 3 layers, you can really see that it really brings out that red color. So one thing I want to point out is acrylics dry really, really fast. The best way to do that is to save them in a container like this, so when they dry out, you can always have backup. Another thing to do is add retarder to the paint. It's an additive for increasing the working time of acrylic paints, so it'll make your paints last longer and you can blend them more smoothly. That was one difficulty I had with this painting, is because it dried within 5 seconds and I wasn't able to blend it very well. One con about the acrylic paint is it darkens when it dries, it flattens when it dries, there's more binder, it's less pigmented, it dries fast, and it's kind of harder to color match, which is why it's great to save them in these containers like that. But overall, it's safer, and it's also good that it dries fast, so it helps you work at a faster pace.